Hey everyone friends, on Cone Liver. Today I'll show how to find truffles in Terraria. We need to gather lots of dirt and replace a large area of land with mud. Then, build a small house for the NPC. We build it accordingly. Next, check if the house is suitable and find the mushroom biome. Here you can build a house and move in a dryad. This way she'll sell us the seeds we need. If she won't move in, we'll just break dirt. Eventually the seeds we need will drop from it. These are mushroom biome seeds. They don't drop often, but you can try to force them out this way. This takes longer than if she moves in. But she's taking too long, so I break dirt. This is the seed we need. Break everything here and it'll drop. Here. Let's try this again. Actually, one is enough. It'll just take time to grow. So, after collecting the seeds, we go home and plant this area with fungal spores. Like this. Now we wait for them to grow. To summon this villager, first defeat Plantera, which unlocks after beating mechanical bosses. When this biome grows, truffles will settle here. This was Levea. Goodbye everyone.